My name is John Patrick. I'm the training manager at Wheelset Academy of Machine Operators. We do so many training, machinery and safety courses. Please just join Wheelset Academy of Machine Operators. Our head office, they are in Atford at 353 Festival Street. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Gerard Kaderere. I work with Wheelset Academy of Machine Operators as the Health and Safety Officer. Work injuries and illnesses affect every aspect of life for workers and their families. And as Wheelset Academy, our motto is safety in precision matters. And therefore, we take health and safety seriously in all our trainings and at workplace. Our learners must wear personal protective equipment before accessing the training site. I welcome you to Wheelset Academy of Machine Operators. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Richard Wandeka from Wheelset Academy of Machine Operators. I am the Training and Development Officer attached to the Human Resource Department of Wheelset Academy of Machines. I'm here to encourage each and everyone to join, to come and enroll, come and get the best skills training as far as the machines training is concerned.
Hi, my name is Pretty.
Hi, my name is Patricia Maluma.
Hi, my name is Lelo. We are from Wheelset Academy of Machine Operators as sales representatives.
We are here to invite you to come and join us here at Wheelset Academy, and then we will give you full-time and part-time training.
And we also offer job assistance by connecting you with potential employers who contact us looking for workers. And we also teach you how to write a good and outstanding CV. And we also give you the recommendation letter to support your CV, and also to give you the best training.
Until something later we go like training. So what you have to do is just to come and register with us. You can visit our website, which is www.wheelsetacademy.co.za. So if linya kotlal kana na tala jo dira certificate le rena le tsema gore a re di scammer re le fa training e le gore re tlo le thabisha ka mo.
And the only thing that we need from you is your ID, passport or asylum seeker. You don't have to have a matric. If you don't have matric, don't worry, Baba. Zoralala in Wheelset Academy. We can train you even with no matric. And our training is open throughout the year, so you can come and register at any time. Anytime is tea time la Wheelset Academy.
And then since it's about the certificates are registered with CETA and TETA.
And when it comes to our body, job assistance, everything will be there. Come on, muta register and move writing. Kota pana kamo soja kahle, move sharp, move moja. Tango.
Hi, my name is Henry, Director at Wheelset Academy of Machine Operators. We offer a wide range of courses in transport industry, manufacturing, construction, and mining industry. Part of our department at Wheelset Academy is machine operation, where we train forklift operators, excavator operators, dump truck operators, and we've trained so many this year. Thanks so much to all the parents that have trusted us with their students and all the companies that have allowed our expertise to come in and identify gaps in your employees. We've trained so many of them. I really appreciate all your support. And for those that are worried about accreditation details, we fully accredited by the relevant CETAs, and we are continuing to extend our scope with QCTO, and we look forward to seeing more of you join us. Thanks so much for your support. You're more than welcome at Wheelset Academy of Machine Operators.